We're looking at composite functions. Now we have two functions here. F of x is x plus 1, and g of x, this should be x. G of x is 2x. Now we want to find, for example, f g of x. What is this equal to? Alright, let's consider what you would do if you had f of x alone to deal with and you're substituting some numbers. Here, when x is 1, you're finding f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. You see that? You remove the x and put 1 there. When you find f of 2, what you do is remove the x, you put 2 there, 2 plus 1, which is 3. This one was 2. If you're going to find what happened when x is 3, then you would find f of 3. F of 3 would be, you remove the x, 3, and you put plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And so on and so forth. The question now is, what do you do when you're finding f of g? Now, when you're finding f of g, you do the same thing. You remove the x, and you're going to put the g there. The g plus 1. It's just that instead of individual numbers, you put the other function there. When you find f of 1, you put 1 there. Remove x and put 1 there. When you find f of 2, you remove x and put 2 there. When you find f of 3, you remove x and put 3 there. So when you find f of g, you remove x and put g there. So you put g into f. Just like how you put 1 into f for f of 1, f of 2 you put 2 into f, f of 3 you put 3 into f. So fg of x, you put g of x into f. So that's what happened. So x was here before, you remove the x and put g there. Now, f g of x, therefore, is going to be, what was g of x again? It was 2x. So it's 2x and then plus 1. So here, when it was f of 1, you remove the x and put 1 there. So what you have is 1 plus 1. You see that? When you find f of 2, you substitute 2 for x. Remove the x and put 2 there. So f of 2 is 2 plus 1. When you find f of 3, f of x becomes f of 3. You remove x and put 3 there. So f of g of x becomes f of g of x plus 1. So you remove the x and put g of x there. G of x is 2x. So remove x and put 2x there. So it's 2x plus 1. Alright? So therefore you're finding f g of x. Then what you do is remove x and put whatever g of x there for x. You're going to put this right here.